Okay, we're down in near Santa Rosa. Outflow boundary storms are kind of pushing this way. You can kind of see that here. There's also some there kind of trying to move into Tucson. I don't know if they're going to make it that way. I just saw a big land right in there. Can't decide if I want to get closer. I really don't want to get too far south because then any outflow that races north with dust will be behind. So, but that storm just dropped some lightning. It's nice. All right, well, we've got the lightning trigger set up. It's a new 100 to 500 I got before spring started with going with the R5 and the 5 DSR doing time lapse. We're watching this storm coming into, it's near Cells right now. It's a little downburst there. Not a lot of lightning on it that I've seen, but hopefully that'll change. You can kind of make out the outflow boundary here. The little edge of all those moving there, but at the same time we got possibly storm building up right over our freaking head, and there's one over there too, so we'll have to see how long we can stay here. Yeah. But that should be fun. You having fun, dude? Yeah, all he's been doing is playing on his iPad and listening to who? Eminem and
Juice WRLD.
Juice what?
Juice WRLD.
Juice WRLD, who I suck because I didn't really immediately know who that was until I heard the song. So apparently I'm old now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, Dust Devil. Get sucked up into the storm. Come on, let's get a tornado. Well, here's our storm building up right over our head. And the other one out there that says it's got 2 bolts on it, but it's really bright. So I'm hoping that, like that right there, dust devils that are happening here, one of them, maybe we get lucky, gets pulled into this updraft and we get a land spout. Storm behind us that was over us started dropping rain. Of course, there's 3 lightning bolts, but I can't find a dang spot to pull over, so we'll have to go somewhere else. Well, we got a nice dust devil here underneath one of these updrafts, but it's trying. Really trying right there. Man, awesome downburst happening here. Good one there. Look at this dust getting exploding off that side. Lightning. Well, that's great. Look at this. Big old downburst, microburst right there. Kind of dry downburst over here. You can see not a lot of rain, but just incredible motion. Big old dust foot here. Wow. Oh, incredible. Oh, it's good to be chasing again. Look at that. Asher, look at that. Look at that. Look at that big downburst happening. The left side, yeah, look at that. Just exploded down. Look at the left foot getting kicked up. See that?
Yeah.
It's curling out like a wave. And then we got all this exploding here. Look at the dust over there.
Over there.
Wow.
Over there.
Mm-hmm. Unreal. Look at that. Rain foot. Wow. And we got another dust devil there trying to either getting kicked up from that downburst or trying to go up this new updraft in front of it. My God, what I would give for a land spout in front of it. Oh, bolt on the right. Big dust devil coming up. Oh, Lord. There's dust over there and I can't decide if that's any good or not. I can't decide if I want to get in front of it or if I want to time lapse this. This looks so nice. I'm gonna time lapse it for a couple. Well, there's a dust storm there, but it's not good. I don't think this is anything other than distant or outflow from some distant storms, so we'll see. big old storm that's starting to go up over here. Well, there's our weak dust storm going towards Casa Grande. I don't think that's the real show. There's stronger storms by Tucson, which may kick up a better one later. Right now we're kind of watching this downburst on this Montgomery Road. There's been some really good lightning strikes coming out of this thing. Sadly, like just over in the mountains there. But oh my God! Oh my God! July 5th, 2011, it's happening. Oh my God, I can see the mountain. Oh, I can see the mountain through the dust. Oh, okay, never mind. Well, we got a dust storm. Asher said it's not too bad, but it's not good. It's not what we want. Maybe if it gets closer to Phoenix, maybe it can pick up some steam and look a little better, but right now, it's pretty weak. Not what I was hoping, but there are more storms south of Casa Grande that went up, and maybe they'll kick up some more dust and we'll get something, but we'll have to see. We'll just keep going towards Phoenix. Well, it's not the worst. Hopefully it can keep coming. I would like to time lapse it right here, but this is Gila River and I do not like to stop here too often, but we'll go south of town and shoot it. Yeah, it's okay. Very diffused. There's a little bit of definition in there, but I mean, I think I can see through it there. So, but cool. Nice to see the forecast verifier Haboob rolling up I-10. Not too hard to get today because it hasn't rained in forever. So, not a surprise, but good to see. Well, here's our dust storm around Riggs, south of Phoenix, south side of Phoenix. I think it's kind of like the main brunt of it is kind of racing north, and then it's bending this way. And so the way that it's kind of unfolding here with some of this texture, it might be kind of coming at us. Maybe it's picking up some good dust there. Maybe it'll get better. But it's not horrible. It's kind of coming right at us. So we'll time lapse it. Got the camera set up. And yeah. Hey, it's a dust storm. First day of the real monsoon hitting up here, at least. It's been dropping bolts and doing stuff down in southeastern Arizona. Some good storm chasers down there have been cleaning up, but it's been pretty far for me. So been kind of waiting for it to get a little closer, and this looks great. I think the good part of the dust storm is here going through like, it's gonna go through East Mesa. And I wish it would get better here, but it just feels like it's moving more this way than coming at us. But Asher is happy that we got to go chasing. His first chase of the year, right?
Yeah.
We didn't get to go chasing on the plains together like I wanted to, but we got to do this. This won't be our first one, or our only one. We'll get out again. Well, the dust is eventually gonna hit us here. Pretty meh, but you know, we'll take it. It's stretching pretty far. I can see it way out there as well. So big wall of dust. Well, I wouldn't really call it a wall. I don't know what I'd call it, but what I call it is I should have stayed on 8, shot some sunset bolts. Well, we got a pretty sunset and a pretty weak dust storm. It shouldn't look like that when it's good. But at least we had color, and there's a storm trying to go up there. But not a bad first monsoon chase.